You're gonna have to wait. Give me Green Austin.
Sure.
Court calls the case, People versus Kent Green Austin.
Ashley Lundy for the people.
We're ready in that matter, Your Honor. Warren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, playing with and on behalf of Mr. Kent Green Austin. Mr. Austin, could you state your name for the record, please?
Kent Green Austin.
Okay. Your Honor, today is date and time set for the probable cause conference. My client respectfully requests that we set this matter for preliminary examination.
Do you wish that
Green,
in person or via Zoom?
Mr. Green Austin, would you like that in person or by Zoom? For the preliminary examination.
I thought this was getting in. We pushing this back.
You broke up there. Right?
I'm sorry, what did you say, Mr. Green Austin?
We pushing back again. I thought this was getting canceled today. My case was getting dropped. I don't understand why we're going to preliminary. I don't understand why.
Because that's not how the process works, and we've had this conversation, Mr. Green Austin.
We barely
Set it for a preliminary examination. So would you like to have that in person or by Zoom?
in person. And I need a new attorney too. I already got one. I don't know why.
In-person preliminary examination. In-person preliminary examination will be set for
Wasting time, dude.
July. Go ahead.
I need a new attorney too.
Lundy.
I'm not working with no Washtenaw.
Ms. Lundy, mute him, please. Ms. Lundy.
Two things, Your Honor, before we get the date set. First, I do hear the defendant asking for new counsel, and I'm not sure if that's going to impact the date and our ability to reassign counsel if the court does let the public defender off. Secondly, it looks like
I don't have a motion, so that does not affect me. I don't have a written motion before me regarding counsel, so I'm not even addressing it. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Secondly, I do show that the defendant has holds. He had previously failed to appear for circuit court pretrials on July 20th, 2021 for carjacking, aggravated indecent exposure, those two cases. And then he also had bench warrant out for malicious use of telecommunications device, receiving, and then we've got the receiving and concealing stolen firearm and everything in this case. So if possible, I would request a little bit more time, as I believe I'm going to have to bring together quite a few people for this exam than the 12th, maybe the 19th or the 26th.
I think they're fucking slow.
Mute him again, please, because I'm done with him. July 26, 2022, 9 a.m. That will be before Judge Freshour.
Thank you.
In person, correct, Your Honor?
Yes, in person. Found continued. Thank you.